Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. This is Facts Mojo. If you like this video, please like, share and please subscribe to this channel. We live in a world where kindness is very rare among humans, but not among animals. Today, we are going to see about 5 heroic animals which saved the day. Number 5 on our list goes to a dog named Khan, a Doberman which saved its owner's toddler. Catherine, mother of a 17-month-old Charlotte, brought home a Doberman named Khan. One day, Khan was playing with Charlotte in the garden. Suddenly, Khan started to act weird. He kept on pushing Charlotte away from him. When that didn't work, he picked up the baby Charlotte by her diaper and pushed her away. On seeing the incident, Catherine was in shock, but suddenly she noticed a snake in the garden and realized why Khan was acting weird. Actually, Khan was trying to get in the middle between the snake and the baby Charlotte. But in doing so, Khan was bit by the snake, who was then rushed to the hospital and given an anti-venom shot. And after a painful night, Khan was okay, back to his best friend Charlotte the next day. In an interview by Catherine said that it is only 4 days since they took in Khan, but what he did was pretty heroic. Interesting, isn't it? Wait till you hear the next one. Number 4 on our list is Ethiopia's Vigilant Lions. In movies, we all have seen Aslan the lion helping 4 kids taking back the kingdom of Narnia. But in real life, we all know what a lion can do. On the contrary, in June 2005, an young girl was abducted from her way to school by 4 men. After searching nearly for a week, the policemen tracked the 4 men to their hideout. After seeing the policemen, the kidnappers tried to escape away with the girl, but unfortunately, their plan was cut short by 3 visitors. It was none other than 3 African lions. The lion not only chased the abductors away but also stood guard without harming the young girl until the police came to the rescue. Some people said that the lions came to the rescue because the crying girl sounded like a lion cubs. We all know dolphins are friendly, but did you know the dolphins can be a savior too? Number 3 on our list is Dolphin Bodyguard. We know dolphins are one of the friendly beings to humans, and this has been proved once again. One day, a lifeguard went for swimming along with his daughter. Suddenly, some of the dolphins started to swim around them, forming a formation. At first, the dad thought the dolphins were being playful, but after some time, the dolphins started to come nearer and nearer to the daughter and the dad. This has been going on for over 40 minutes. The doubtful dad took a look around all around him, and that's when he saw a white shark was waiting for them. That's when he realized that the dolphin was trying to save him and his daughter from the white shark. This has been going on for around 1 hour, and then the white shark lost his interest and went away. After that, the dad and daughter came to the shore and said goodbye to their saviors. They say cats are pretty intelligent. To prove that, number 2 on our list is Tara the Savior. One day, Jeremy was playing in his yard in his bicycle. Suddenly, the neighbor's dog started to attack him. On hearing little boy scream, the cat, the Tara, came running and chased the dog away from him. The boy needed 8 stitches, but it is said that without the cat's interference, the situation may be much worse. After the incident, the dad said to an interview that whenever his little boy is in trouble, Tara always comes running. We have reached the top of our list, and this is pretty interesting. Number 1 on our list is Togo, the Serum Run of 1925. In Alaska, there was a town named Nome. In 1925, the town was facing a serious issue. An infectious disease started to spread all around the town. Since it is winter, the weather was already bad. The only communication between the town and the outside world is through a musher and the sled dog team. To add oil to the fire, the hospital in Nome were run out of vaccine for the disease. So the doctors in the hospital ordered a vaccine to the government. But since the weather is very rough, the government said that we will not be able to deliver the medicine to the town. So the government took an alternate route and they dropped off the vaccine in a town named Nena. The town Nena was around hundreds of miles away from Nome. So the mayor picked a place called Nuleta, which is in the middle of Nome and Nena. And the mayor created a plan that one musher and a sled dog team will be traveling from Nome and then another from Nena, and they will be meeting at a place called Nuleta and will be delivering the medicine. The major issue was it could take around 9 days to travel from Nome to Nuleta, but in rough weather the medicine would last only for around 6 days. So the mayor called out for Sepala, who has crossed the distance in and around 4 days. After receiving the word from mayor, Sepala and his dog Togo started the journey in January 27th. But in January 28th, the situation got worse in Nome. So the mayor created another plan and he arranged about 20 musher and the dog team to stay at every safe point between Nome and Nena so that the traveling would be made easier. But it is impossible to convey this to the Sepala who was already in the journey. So the town people were hoping that in the middle that Sepala would be meeting the other teammate to carry the medicine. Otherwise, it could take around extra 4 days for the medicine to reach Nome. In the meantime, Sepala was facing with another major issue. He need to cross Northern Sound, the frozen sea, in order to save some time. So he made a decision to run across the Northern Sound with his team. And finally, he made it out of the Northern Sound without any problem. In the shore, he met up with his friend who was running across from the other side to deliver the medicine to him. After getting the medicine, his friend told Sepala that situation in Nome is getting worse. So Sepala had a decision to make whether to cross the Northern Sound again. But keeping in mind the time, Sepala made a decision to cross the Northern Sound. While crossing Northern Sound in the middle, the weather became so bad, Sepala couldn't even see a thing. At last, Sepala fell unconscious on his wheel. But the lead dog, Togo, took the lead and ran straight and took Sepala and his team to the safe point. Sepala at the safe point gave the medicine to his another friend Charlie, and Charlie took the medicine straight away to the another safest point and gave it to Gunnar. And Gunnar took the medicine and ran straight away to Nome and gave the medicine to the people and thus saving the city of Nome from any further destruction. Since it was Gunnar who reached Nome, the reporter said that it was Gunnar and Balto made the 1925 Serum Run possible. But in 2018, the history was corrected saying that it was Togo who made the Serum Run possible. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment and subscribe to our channel.